Hey everyone, welcome back to Adventures with Edna. I'm Chris. Today we're going to get back on, trying to get the front bumper back on. Again. First we're going to try to work on this dent in the front that was created in our last video from the jack handle that hit the front. It's now been a week since we got the pulley fixed, and it's been running fine all week. No issues that I've noticed, so I've been pretty happy with that. Again, thank you to Doug for all the work he put into getting that thing straightened out. Oh, Chance will be here later today. I forgot to mention. Alright, so if you made it far enough into last week's video, it's kind of weird because I'm sitting uphill. You know that we put the block here and tried to beat on it from the back side. And according to Doug and a few other viewers, they pointed out that I was doing it backwards, which still seems a little weird. But apparently we're supposed to have the block on the back side and hit it on this side. So I've got my freshly oversprayed dead blow hammer. I just went inside and washed that end. This side's got paint all over it. So this side is clean. So we shouldn't be beating any impurities into the paint over here. So let me see what we can do. Kind of reaching under the frame horn here. Oh no, I don't think I'm in a good position. I already hit my hand right there. That didn't feel great. So I'm guessing that I kind of need to work around here to work that out. So that's what I'm trying. There's a little bit of a pinch over here as well. Is this one? I don't think there's another one. Yeah, there's a pinch here, pinch here. I was told to work on those last, so we're not touching those yet. But it's so awkward. Another reason I'm kind of at an awkward angle is I'm trying to hit it like this, so my wrist looks like this. How do you get under here? I could jack it up, make it a little higher off the ground, but that's kind of what got us here in the first place. Not super anxious to do that again. What is this crap? So it kind of goes in and then back out. Hit my pinky right here. Ow. Turning purple quick. Let's move on. Oh, it hurts. I'm mad at you, corner. I mean, I just try to keep a better watch of where my hand is. This is super weird. It's actually seems a little less dramatic than when I started. I feel like it's coming out. I don't know if that's worse. It's starting to go in here a little bit. Let's use the dirty side for the back. That popped right back out. Got a pretty good bit. Like this kind of, I think that disappeared. I don't know if it looks different from where you guys are sitting. I think he's all purple right here now. Right on the tip. Maybe I should switch sides and see. I don't know. Should I switch sides? Hard to say. I got on this side because I'm right-handed. Maybe I should lay down. I don't know. I'm not a body man. Again, we're using the clean end. I guess at least in this position, I'm not close to the frame horns. Kind of funny how this has become my little body block situation, because this is just a leftover piece from when I was making bee traps earlier this year. It does look pretty decent the way it's coming along. It's coming out slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. I feel like this is right here has gotten better. The center crease now is the dirty side on the back side. I'm feeling a lot better about it. Only got another hour before I go pick up Chance from school. Maybe we'll have a front bumper on this after all. That line seems like it's almost gone. Looks good. Yeah. Almost non-existent. I lost a little bit of paint there. It's okay. Not the only chip in this front end. Let's see. Let's come back to this side. See if we can make that go away. Go back to the clean side of the hammer. I feel like the curve isn't quite, a little bit off. I feel really good about this. This crease here is gone. And that's still there, but I can live with that. Now I'm gonna get some pliers or something to see if I can get these two pinches to go away. All right, so apparently I never hit record when that happens. And but anyway, so I use the pliers to squeeze out this little pinch right here. Almost completely gone. And then we still got the other pinch over here. As you can see, so we're gonna try to take that out. Feels pretty good. So we've still got a little bit of a mark here, but it feels smooth, and I can live with that. Because I mean, we've got damage over here. I forgot what that actually happened from. But yeah, we've got other damages. I mean, it's not a perfect panel, but we got the bulk of it out. So that feels good. I think we might be about ready for a bumper. Right where we left it. Get our holes lined up. We're running to get a ratchet. I don't remember what size these were. It's 11/16. I feel like we kind of struggled to get these off the last time, so I went ahead and hit all the bolts with some WD-40 before I put it on, or before I put them in. All right, I think we gotta go with a wrench because I need a deep socket to get on these, and going with this setup, there's too much. It don't want to go on right. More filming off camera because I forgot to hit record again. But so the 1/2 inch drive is too long to get in here very well. But I found an 11/16 with a 3/8 drive that gives us an inch, so that's going to make it much easier to get on. So let's see what we can do now. All right, this is much better. I mean, you're not doing yourself much good if you can't turn the nuts to tighten them up. There's not a lot of room to turn the wrench in here. So, any advantage you can give yourself, the better. Now we turn and get this side. Good. We're going to do the take a nap method. Where we get underneath like this, and we just lay down. Take a little break. All right, now we got a nice tight bumper. What do you guys think of that? Looking good, looking good. Gotta wipe it off, it's a little dirty. Now who can guess what's missing? Our front license plate, which is all ready to go back on because we already hit this with a little bit of clear coat on both sides after getting it cleaned up in that previous video. So it's all ready to go on. Now, the way we want to do that, we've got our little aluminum bracket. We're going to put it on there with, and it's aluminum with stainless steel bolts. And because of this having ripped off, we're going to get some washers. And by we, I mean me and Chance, because we're going to take a little break right here. I'm going to go pick him up from school. We're going to get some bolts, or washers. You know what I'm saying. All right, almost to Chance's school. Getting ready to pick him up. With our new bumper on. So that's pretty awesome. Feeling good about the look. I feel like we had a really good week. Not only did our video fixing that crankshaft pulley do really well, it got over 1,000 views, which is extremely good for us. So thank you to all who watched. But not only that, the one viewer, Tim, who caught the battery spark, I made a short out of that, letting everybody know what happened and thanking him, and that got over 10,000 views, which is incredible. Like, I can't believe that. I was really amazed about that. That's awesome. I hadn't even told Chance yet. He may know. I don't know. I'll ask him. School line. Or if Chance will notice the bumper. I see him. He's jumping up in the air. Not for me, just in general. Doing kid stuff. What's up, Chance? How was school today?
Alright.
It was alright?
Got report card today.
Yeah? How'd you do?
Most classes I failed. Lowest grade I got was a... I have no clue, actually. Anything? I don't remember what my lowest grade was. I'll show you that.
Did you notice anything about the truck when I pulled up?
There's a bumper on it.
There is a bumper on it. Good, right?
Mm-hmm. It's very shiny.
Almost back to normal.
That's my bus right there.
Yeah?
The last one.
So guess what?
What?
So Monday's video, has over 1,000 views now.
Wow.
And then the short that I made from the spark that was found under the hood has over 10,000 views.
Wow.
Cool, huh? That's pretty good for us. Only the coolest people watch Adventures with Edna.
Yeah. Like, and one of them's me.
Alright, I'm going to take this off. These washers are for the license plate side, and this is the on the bumper side. So I need those. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to take both these nuts and put it down like that through those holes there.
Okay.
So I'll swap with you. I'll hold the bolts and stuff for you.
Okay, so do we put it in this way or that way?
That way.
This way?
Mm-hmm.
And we're coming from the underneath?
Alright, put this nut down through there.
From here? Or there?
From the top. And then you're going to put that washer on the underside.
Do I do it left or right from, like, this way?
It's going to seem confusing because it's going to be totally backwards.
Can't get it in there. Why can't I get the first thing? Is there a certain way it goes in?
It's got to go that side down. You can sit down if you want, if you're more comfortable that way. Starting?
Yep, I got it. Finally.
Alright, here's another bolt.
But now it's spinning
we'll get,
with that.
Hmm?
It's spinning with that now. See, look, it's not even tight.
Yeah, we'll tighten them up.
We're cooked. That side down. I got this one a lot faster in there. Okay, I got them both in there.
Alright, now you can use your ratchet and your...
What's the wrench gonna do?
Now you can put that on there and tighten it down. I'll hold the bottom for you.
Do I go right or left?
It's already set the right way.
This way?
Mm-hmm.
Ow!
You okay?
Yeah, I had my finger on the top of that, but I'm alright. Sorry.
You're right.
Is that good enough or not yet? Not quite.
Till it's tight. There you go. A little bit more. Just give it one good...
Yeah! I can do more.
You sure?
Yep.
That should be good.
I
Look at the other one.
don't know if that's coming out. Now we gotta do this a whole bunch of times. Why does it make that noise? Is it to know you're retracting it?
Yeah, there's a gear in there. It's a ratcheting.
Dad, it goes more.
Are you sure?
Yes. Because I made that one a lot more tighter. Just watch. Okay, that should be good.
Alright, now we put the plate on. Let me get a screwdriver.
Okay.
Alright, now take both of those screws out of it, because those are the ones that hold the license plate on.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh. Wait. How do you get
It's
that
got the
out?
nut on the back side.
Is it gonna fit?
Allegedly.
It's too small.
Too small?
Oh.
See, the whole thing's turning this way. You need the screwdriver.
How are you supposed to...
With the screwdriver.
I know, but like, you have to take it out every time just to get it to go back like that?
Yeah, but you need the screwdriver.
Why?
Because you're turning everything.
What am I supposed to do with it then?
Put the screwdriver in the front half. And put the nut on the back half.
It's not going to come out though. Oh, is it so you can hold it?
Yeah.
What way do I get this way thing out?
Counterclockwise, the opposite way.
So I was making
Well, no,
it tighter?
use the wrench the other way. I would hold the wrench on it and turn the screwdriver.
That's not going to work.
Oh, no. See, look, hold the wrench. Hold the wrench. You got to put that man muscle to it. But quit moving your hand. You got to hold the other hand stiff.
Get in there.
Almost. Ta-da. All right, now get the other one off.
Hold on. Hold on. I got
All right, Forrest Gump.
Is that because he can't walk? Run, Forrest, run. Ain't that what they said?
Mm-hmm.
When did that movie come out?
93, I think. 94, somewhere in there.
Was it like Tom Hanks a kid in that movie?
No. Well, no. There was a kid playing the kid
Hanks
version.
as a kid. Ow.
Turn it back on. There you go. All right, let me grab the license plate.
Okay. Ow.
All right, pull a screw out and then put one of those washers on it. Right there. Slide a nut through on the back, or grab one of those nuts and put it on the back side.
This way or that way?
Put the non-blue end on first. No, the other way.
Oh, you said non-blue.
Yeah.
And then...
All right, grab the other screw and we'll get that one started too.
The screw.
This one right here.
Oh.
Grab that one, do the same thing. Pull that one out, put a washer on it.
Okay.
Plate looks good with that clear coat on there.
Non-blue. Okay, then what?
All right, now get your screwdriver and your wrench, tighten it back up. Make sure it's somewhat centered, even though to some extent it doesn't make much difference.
Now I have to go the opposite way?
Yeah.
Yeah, we hold this wrench real quick.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, get your other one.
Can I re-hold this side now?
Looking good.
Guess who's back? Back
Good
again.
job. Yeah, now we got Edna looking like
Now
she used
Edna is Edna.
to. Yeah. Gotta have that plate back.
Edna's now Edna. Oh, you know what we need to do?
Now we
Dad?
just need some tires.
Yep.
Okay.
And then in about a month, we can put the red scarf around the angel.
Yeah. This is really the only accident damage that's left. which I haven't figured out what I want to do yet because I don't think I have the ability
to even make that better.
Yeah, so the only thing I can really do is straighten that out a lot. And I've got a little bit of an idea on how I want to do it, but not fully how I want to do it yet. I need to discuss that a little further.
What does this thing do? Which one?
The new dent that happened here. I got that fixed.
I didn't even know there was a dent there, Dad.
That's right, you weren't here the last weekend. You were taking the weekend off.
Look at all this grass.
So something I was thinking about doing is on the back side of the plate here, putting something on here to kind of reinforce this a little bit, because I guess it kind of, the wind tends to blow it back over time, because every so often I got to kind of pull it back forward again. So it needs some kind of structure back here. So I was thinking about maybe using this aluminum sheet metal I've got. I don't remember what gauge it is, but cutting a piece out of that and putting that behind there to reinforce it. Maybe.
Are we gonna finish it?
At some point.
I want to drive it one day. Am I gonna have to balance this thing?
Just like a bike.
Yeah, but it doesn't move on its own without me having to pedal. I wanted us to get it done before this year, remember?
I know.
And now it's almost in the
Got my fingers all bruised up now.
Why? Alright, so that's gonna do it for this week's episode. I'm so happy that we finally got the bumper back on Edna, and we also I got to put the license plate back on. So now Edna's finally looking like how Edna's supposed to be. Because now Edna is Edna. She was Edna 2.0, but nobody likes Edna 2.0. That's like Edna's evil twin sister. But yeah, so make sure to like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye.